episode of 7-Figure Product Series, exclusively here only on YouTube, we're gonna be covering dude wipes. Now, this is a product that we've never covered before in a niche or category that I don't think we've covered before either. And I'm super excited to break this down for a few different reasons. Number one, this is a company that's absolutely crushing it with one product. And you guys know we love businesses that have great success around one product because so many people have this misconception that you need tons of products to build a successful business. And this business got enough attention that it landed them on Shark Tank and even got an investor, Mark Cuban. If you've heard of Mark Cuban, he's a billionaire and an investor as seen on the TV show Shark Tank. Here you can see, according to Chicago Tribune, that Mark Cuban invested in the business for 25% equity in exchange for $300,000 cash, which puts the company at a valuation of around $1.2 million. Now they're doing big numbers. In fact, let's go ahead and dive into my computer and I want to show you not only how much this one company is making with this one product, but you'll be shocked how much the small guys that no one has heard of is making with this product as well. And before we dive into my computer, if you're new to the channel, you're returning and you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. Click the notification bell next to it so you're notified every single Friday when we drop a new 7-Figure Product Series and every single week when we drop new videos. And if you get any value whatsoever, or you just like my jacket, hit that like down below. It helps the channel out huge. All right, so my team has been awesome enough to go ahead and compile all of the data on this product discovery report. Now, if you want this report for this 7-figure product, as well as all of the past 7-figure products and all of the future 7-figure products, then go to 7figureproductseries.com or click the link down below in the description. All right, so reviewing the product discovery report, here you can see that the product name is wipes. All right, so here you can see that the average revenue for search term wipes is around $517,000 per month, netting around $155,000, and the average annual revenue is just over $6 million. That's tons of money and tons of wipes. And you know, I love products that are reusable. I love products that are consumable products or reusable products, products that can be a part of subscribe and save programs, and products that can be sold regardless of the demographic, regardless of the age, and regardless of where you live. And you know, everybody has a butt, and I would hope everybody wants their butt to be clean. Now, moving along to the product summary, here you can see that the daily sales are around 17,000. The average units are around 822. The average monthly sales are over $500,000 at 517,600. And the average monthly sold are around 24,675 units. Now, that's huge because so many people say that I want to make X amount per month. I want to make 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 per month. You can make as much money on Amazon or in e-commerce with the product that you want. The question is, can you afford the inventory? Can you afford the advertising? So it's not how do I find a successful product? It's not how can I find a product that can make me XYZ? It's how do I find a product that meets my appetite for one, profit, but number two, the most important, is the appetite for investment. Because at 25,000 units and 3 months worth of ordering, that's around 75,000 units. Even if this costs $2 a unit shipped, you're looking at 75,000 times 2, that's $150,000 in inventory for this, right? So yes, the numbers are awesome, and I want you to take them with a grain of salt. And the reason why we have this series is to show you guys 6-figure a month, 7-figure a month, 8-figure a year products exist. Solo products that make that much money, but it's not typical for a beginner or a entry-level business owner with no investment, no loans, no investors to be able to launch these businesses. And that's why at the AMZ Formula, we teach you how to find products like these that have no competition or little to no competition that can do around 3 to 10K net profit per month. Now, moving along to the keywords, here you can see that the search volume for wipes are huge. In fact, dude wipes for men have an average search volume of 90,000 views. Wipes in general, 145,000 search views. And you can see a lot of these are strong, and the lowest search term being adult wipes, the highest being wipes, the second highest actually being a branded search term, which is gonna be dude wipes for men, which is phenomenal. That means that there's a lot of brand notoriety and a lot of brand depth with this brand. Now, if you're looking at search volume, here you can see that it's spiked up. Now, I don't know the date or the year that this aired on Shark Tank, but I'm more than willing to bet that there was a huge PR push, maybe around Shark Tank or post Shark Tank, right around this time when you see that spike in volatility. Other than that, you can see it kind of went horizontal. Now, the research strategy that we use to find this is going to be average monthly units sold of over 20,000, minimum average monthly price at $20. We excluded top brands, and the category is health and household. Now, moving on to the brand Dude Wipes theirself. This one product's monthly revenue is at $680,000. They have 151,000 plus reviews, and they're ranked on the first page, number 5. The selling price is under $20 at $8.98, and the product weight is under 1 pound. Now, down at the bottom, you'll see a ton of other related links. Again, if you go to 7figureproductseries.com or click the link down below, you can get access to this entire product discovery report alongside with all the previous 7-figure products and all the future ones, absolutely free. Just click the link, put your information in, and that is my gift to you. Now, we've talked about the numbers. We talked about how they are partners with a billionaire, Mark Cuban, for 25% at a $300,000 stake. Now, let's put away the computer and let's get into the product. Now, first and foremost, this is the product. This is how it arrived. It arrived inside of a box which Amazon provides. Now, when we create products, guys, there's multiple different packaging. There's packaging of the product itself, and then there's the packaging that Amazon uses to place your product in. So think about that when you're manufacturing your product, because this really doesn't have to be inside of a box if Amazon's gonna put it inside of a box. This is gonna reduce your overhead expenses and increase your bottom line profits. So this is exactly how it came. Now you can see that they have a real durable, strong sticker on each side that's holding these 3 together. What I like is it's very minimalistic, clean, black matte packaging, and their color theme is gonna be blue, which for boys or men makes sense, right? So they're going after a demographic that is usually underserved, which is the men's demographic. A lot of the hygiene products, a lot of these products are feminine or geared towards women. And here you can see that they're focusing on one single niche, which is men, and they're absolutely crushing it, making millions of dollars per year with this one product. So they often say that the riches are in the niches, and Dude Wipes has proved it to be true. Now, right off the bat, you can see a few things. You can see it has the fragrance, it has benefits and features. We always want to display benefits and features. Benefit number 1 is extra large. Benefit number 2 is flushable. Benefit number 3 is with vitamin E and aloe. And then a feature is 99% water. So I don't know much about the wet wipes space, but I'm gonna go ahead and go on a limb and say that a majority of them aren't 99% water, right? Now, on the back side, we have their website, and we have 2 social media sites, which is Twitter and Instagram. We have directions, we have where it's assembled in Chicago, Illinois, in the United States, and it has a little bit about their mission statement, quick paragraph about their mission statement. On the bottom, warning label, because it is plastic, disposable instructions, and ingredients. Now, when you go ahead and open the top here, you can see that there is a protection seal that you have to break to make sure that it is fresh. Other than that, very simple product with some serious profits. Now, if you found any value whatsoever on this episode of 7-Figure Product Series, do me a favor right now, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel or you're returning and you've noticed that it doesn't say subscribed on that red button, click that button for me, make sure it says subscribed, and click the notification bell next to it so you can join the notification game and be the first to market, first to dollar every single Friday when we release a new video going over all these products that are generating a minimum of 7 figures in net profit every single year. I appreciate it, and stay tuned for the next video. Remember, you're only one product away.